In this video, I'm going to show you the pros and cons of using Instagram Reels, so stay tuned.
So I'm on Instagram and I'm going to show you what Instagram Reels is. So if you go to your story in the top left by hitting your icon to add to your story, you can see that there's an option now at the bottom that says Reels. Reels is supposed to be a competitive feature to TikTok. So TikTok is these really short, energetic videos, kind of like Snapchat, except they're persistent in like a feed, and it allows you to get ranked on the For You page and stuff like that. And it has a little different discoverability than Reels. But Reels tries to have the same things like the editing and the effects and all those things. So when I go to Reels, this is what it looks like. You can pick different audio tracks and then you can put that behind your video. You can adjust the speed of the video that you record. You can do different like song effects and different stuff like that. You can set a timer so you can say how long it is before the clip starts. That way you have a little delay, and then you can record stuff. So like I could record this and it has a timer and it goes off, and I could do some kind of video to a song, and I can stop it, I can go back, I can play it back, and then I can hit the trash can if I want to delete it or go back to the main editing screen. And then if I want to publish, I would hit that right arrow and then go to publish. And then here you can share it to your feed. And it says it may end up in Explore and can be seen on the Reels tab of your profile. You can save it as a draft or share it. You can also just add it to your story. Also, you can write a caption, you can describe the video, and you can set the cover. So there's a lot of cool little features with Reels. Now, Reels doesn't have the best discoverability because although it ends up in the Explore page, your chances of getting there are really, really small. It's not like TikTok where there's like a For You page and you can go through that and you can see everything and have a chance to go viral as long as it's in the same feed, because Explore is really broad and there's a lot of stuff there. Reels does have a lot of editing features, but it doesn't have all the different templates that TikTok has. It doesn't have all the different backgrounds. You can put like background photos and stuff like that, and videos and stuff like that you've already recorded. You can also do different alignments. So there's a lot of cool editing features, and I think that is where it's cool. It tries to match it there. However, it's not going to be able to compete with TikTok with the feed and with all the different trends. There's no trending page. There's nothing like that, because Explore is for the entire Instagram platform, and so there aren't really trends on Instagram that are being tracked. Like, you can see what's on the Explore page, but it's personalized, so you might make a really good reel, but if it's a really niche one, then a lot of people might not discover it. So I think the key is to understand that there's a lot of really cool features in Reels. It's very new, and Instagram's going to try to challenge TikTok, get you off TikTok so they can use Reels more often. But just know that it's just like doing a story post or something like that, right? Like it's a good thing. It's another feature to add to Instagram. However, it's not going to get you that discoverability, the rankability, and there's no like trends that you can take advantage of yet. Keep that in mind as you're using it. So if you're trying to grow a following, you can try to use Reels to enhance your Instagram experience, but don't expect it to do what TikTok does and get you followers overnight. So that's a quick overview on Reels. It's a cool tool starting out, but I would highly recommend, sticking with things like TikTok and other competing apps as that situation evolves. And, try out Reels, see what you think of it, do some research on it, and let me know in the comments below what you think of the tool.
If you like this video, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Jump on the subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned.